Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your Windows computer look so cool. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more update. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So at first you need to download Rainmeter software on your computer, which I've already downloaded on my computer, and also Rainmeter skin. So I will show you how to download this Rainmeter software and skin. So for Rainmeter you have to go to rainmeter.net, so don't worry with that. I will give you this link to my video description. After that you can download the final release and also beta release. So I have already downloaded this beta release on my computer, and also this Rainmeter skins you will get from Google search. Also there is a very good website, is called bvom.com. so through this website you will get all these skins link. So you have to download all these skins. Like if you want to download these skins, then you have to click on this download button like that. So after download all these things, you have to install it on your computer. So after install Rainmeter on your computer, you will get a Rainmeter icon over there on your taskbar bar. So you have to right click over there, and from screen option you can get all your skins from here. So I have already downloaded this Mass Effect and Iron Man effect, as you can see. So I have to double click over there and I have to click on install. So now as you can see it's installing. So now what I have to do is I have to change my wallpaper of my desktop. So I have already downloaded one image of Iron Man, as you can see. So I will set this wallpaper to my desktop. It's look like this. So now I will set this Mass Effect theme. So right click over there. After that click on go to the skins and then Mass Effect, and check one by one all this .ini file. So as you can see, Mass Effect, then clock, hard disk. So hard disk is showing over there, as you can see, and after that launcher, then skins, then SAM CPU, then skins, so all are done, as you can see. So suppose this skin, I don't need this skin, so just right click over there and unload the screen. Click on unload screen. After that the skin will be automatically on, as you can see. So through this way you can make your desktop look so cool. So I hope this video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.